In this video, we will show you how to reset the engine oil life monitor on this Ford F-150. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. We're going to reset the oil change maintenance light on this. To do that, we want to have the key in the on position, but the vehicle doesn't have to be running. Continuing on, we're going to be using the switches along the driver's side of the steering wheel here. We only need the arrow switches and the OK switch. Also, we'll be paying attention to the gauge cluster directly in the center there. You can see I have several notifications that pop up. One of them's telling me that I need an oil change. To start resetting this, let's use our arrow buttons. I'm going to press OK first. We'll make our way through these. And now we can use the arrow, making our way through the menu. As we make our way through, we're looking for the setting that says Settings. Go ahead and press OK for that. Continuing on, we're going to go directly into Vehicle. So we'll press OK for that as well. Now we can start scrolling through this. We'll go down a little bit. Right here I can see Oil Life Reset. Let's press OK. This is telling me that I have 0% oil life. I just finished changing the oil, so let's go ahead and reset that. To do this, I'm going to hold down the OK button. Now, as you can see, the oil life maintenance light has been reset. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.